Bangalore has a range of some top educational institutions who have an array of various fields of study. Here, we have one such prestigious educational institution that crowns a supreme place among the top colleges in Bangalore, and that is East-West Group of Institutions. Situated at Anjana Nagar off Magadi Road, Bangalore, has a vast campus architecturally built to serve the purpose of quality education to each student by the best faculty in India. The group of this premier educational institutions was a dream that was made true by late Sri C.M. Nagaraj, a visionary, an acknowledged educationalist, a philanthropist and a social worker. He was the founder chairman and former mayor of BBMP Bangalore, who had excelled in academics with a strong vision and mission, achieved success with his efforts, devotion, dedication and life to transform his ambition into reality, which is being maintained and now taken care by his two sons, Mr. C. N. Ravi Kiran and Mr. C. N. Shashi Kiran, who are sharing the same thoughts and vision and have been enthusiastically taking the responsibility capably, efficiently and dynamically. To grow the institution further, Sri Ravi Kiran decided to have a branch in the heart of the city, Yelahanka, for engineering, polytechnic and pre-university, with an excellent building incorporating all the facilities and amenities that are provided for a premier institution. The institute provides quality education for engineering headed by the principal, Dr. Ramesh.
East-West College of Engineering is established in the year 2015. It is just 1 year old. It is situated in Yelahanka, New Town. It is well connected with the BTS, as well as we are having our own transportation system for important places in Bangalore. The college is having highly qualified lecturers, experienced lecturers, dedicated lecturers and motivational lecturers. Their aim is to develop the student to technical cadre or technical engineers of highest order, which are required for the global standards. We are developing hostels both for boys and girls. Our aim is to see that the student will get everything from our college, and when he goes out of our college, he will be ready for field.
Courses offered are the institute has the best of the laboratories for practical learning and spacious classrooms for theoretical knowledge by efficient and experienced faculty, a huge library stacked with books for best knowledge to be gained. The institute provides quality education for polytechnic headed by the principal, Mr. Chanakeshava A.
East-West Polytechnic is providing all infrastructure facilities and job facilities and laboratory facilities in our campus. First of all, diploma is very important. Presently, it plays a very dominant role in society since it is a professional courses. Once we join diploma, after completion of the 3 years, we can directly join into the engineering courses by lateral entry programs. In our campus, we have placement cell will be there, industry institution interactions will be there, and also the mentor systems is there for mentoring the students both in academical and other activities, providing a well-equipped laboratories and experienced and dedicated faculty members to mentor the students in all aspects. East-West Polytechnic in Yelahanka campus, we are providing, my sincere advice is to join the professional courses, thereby you can learn the technical knowledge and also to live in society without any problems.
Courses provided for Polytechnic are the institute is fully equipped with the best of infrastructure, labs and library to gain knowledge. East-West Pre-University College, recognized by Government of Karnataka, approved by PU Board, with qualified, experienced and enthusiastic teaching faculty, the Institute for PUC has online coaching for CET, COMET-K, JEE, JEE Advanced, JIP, MER. Excellent study material is provided in the library, and all labs are equipped with the best equipments, and trained technicians impart the practical skills to all students. Hostel facility with tidy rooms separate for boys and girls is available with a multi-cuisine mess. Courses provided are keeping the principles laid down by their father, Sri C. N. Ravikiran, who is the chairman of East-West Group of Institutions today, is continuing the tradition with his able leadership to make the institution a treasure house of knowledge to the student community across the world. The East-West Group believes in achieving academic excellence, meeting global standards. A highly educated, experienced and dedicated faculty welcomes you to be a part of this great institution, to excel high in your career and to face the world confidently. For admissions and more details, you may contact Dr. Purushottam B, the Director, Admissions, at East-West Group of Institutions, number 63, First Phase, Bharat Nagar, BEL Layout, Vishwanidham Post, off Magadi Road, Bangalore 91. You may call us at 080-2274-0770-2328, 6732-2328-8899, mobile 9448-224-779. You can fax at 080-2348-2825. You can email us at info@ewcm.edu.in or purushottamb@rediffmail.com. You may also contact Dr. Ramesh for engineering courses and Mr. Chanakeshava A for polytechnic courses at East-West College of Engineering or East-West Institute of Polytechnic, CA number 13, Sector A, Yelahanka, Newtown, Bangalore 64. You may call us at 080-2856-6115 or 2856-6116.